no-show. Tornado warning continuing right so. The mid area points northern.
Yeah, Rory, if you're in the path of the storm right now,
Tornado watch continues across a large part of the area.
It's right here.
Oh, nice.
Cow line. Debris from the cars.
oh, shit. What else? Something.
That was a big accident.